Lawns getting a lot of water.
They are, so folks not needing to mow. Going to be a lot of greenery for the upcoming week when we dry out. And there's going to be a lot of pollen as well with things going to bloom.
Yes.
So I'm enjoying right now that I can breathe.
Yes.
But we know that's going to change when the pollen starts to really flare up this week. More storms today. Severe threat today. Flooding threat today. That continues into tomorrow, hence the Storm 5 alert that goes until tomorrow night. Excessive rain forecast. So this is a model, basically, the way we show you outlines for our prediction for severe weather. Well, with this outline, it's showing the forecast for the potential of excessive rainfall that could lead to flooding concerns. And it's the same areas that have been getting hit really hard. We'll start to finally see that shifting out of here, though, heading into Sunday. Bringing it in for a closer check now, and over the last 7 days, radar estimates of over 13 inches of rain in parts of Kentucky, over 11 inches of rain in parts of the mid-state, close to 10 inches of rain as you get down towards West Tennessee, then not quite as much rain towards the plateau. This is a 7-day outlook or forecast, I should say, our climate of all the rain that we have been seeing. And unfortunately, more heavy rain moving through right now with more expected later on today. So very little rain will lead to flash flooding. No thunderstorm or tornado warnings right now, but there are numerous flash flood warnings up in parts of Kentucky this morning. It's this leading edge that has definitely got some gusty winds, but they're below severe limits now. And as we take a look over in parts of Kentucky, Muhlenberg County, even towards southward towards Trigg and Callaway counties, as well as Christian County, that flash flood warning will be with us till 11:15. So there's a number of them out there. Unfortunately today, though, all hazards once again in play. As you take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook, that means the threat of, yes, again, tornadoes, hail, and then the flooding concerns as well. We'll finally see that sliding out heading into tomorrow. And I think by midday tomorrow, any severe chances are minimal, minus the flooding concerns. Today, tornadoes, wind, hail, heavy rain that'll bring flooding. Tomorrow as a whole, it'll still be a bit windy, but that heavy rainfall will continue to bring flooding concerns, which is why that Storm 5 alert goes until tomorrow night. So here's a look at midday. We get that low in storms, but we'll start to see more pushing in this afternoon. Getting towards 4 o'clock, heavy rain in that leading edge of this frontal boundary. Notice how it's kind of broken lines, some damaging wind concerns, and even the concerns in some of these setups for rotation that'll prompt tornadoes. Pushing into the area around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock overhead. We need to watch this very closely. We will do our best to not break into Final Four games and do as much as we can streaming and on all of our other platforms. But if we were to get a tornado confirmed, we will have to preempt the game. So just a heads up, we are doing everything we can not to, but if it gets to the point of potentially life-saving information, then we're going to have to make that call then. Heavy rain is going to continue overnight. So even when the severe energy is gone, the rain concerns will bring flooding concerns to the area through the overnight and into tomorrow. Even with spotty showers tomorrow, that flooding threat continues because the ground is so saturated, so much rain has already fallen, that this is just going to continue to add to it. But I want you to look at Monday. We finally get to that light at the end of the tunnel. Clouds are breaking, temperatures cooler, but right now I think a lot of us will take that just to finally dry out after what has been a very unsettled pattern for much of this past week. Flood watch in effect from now until Sunday morning for most of the mid-state, southern Kentucky. You look over towards the plateau, not included in this because that front has not pushed through yet. The way it stalled out, it's keeping all the heavy rain and everything we're talking about north of you all and west of you all. And many of you, Cumberland, Putnam counties, Van Buren, are like, where is this? I'm not seeing any of this activity. Well, you'll get your chance tomorrow when it finally slides through. Another 5 to 8 inches of rain expected northwest of Nashville. 3 to 6 along I-40 towards Murfreesboro, and then 1 to 3 towards the plateau when that front finally moves through the area. We have picked up almost a half an inch of rain in about an hour's time as that line moved through. It's still raining, but not as intense as it was earlier. 63 degrees. Waiting for that rain to move in the Donaldson area. Live look from our Skynet camera there that's bouncing around with some of the winds. 73 right now. Humid out there as well this morning as the planes are coming and going on this Saturday. All across Middle Tennessee, Southern Kentucky, 67 Crossville, 72 McMinnville, 74 Nashville, and 71 degrees towards Dixon. Bottom line, a mild and somewhat humid start. We will see that Storm 5 alert for today 83 degrees today. Then tonight, 55 as temperatures slowly fall. 60 likely in the morning time frame tomorrow. And then we are going to see temperatures probably in the upper 50s by late afternoon, falling into the 40s tomorrow night. And then a dry but cool start to the upcoming week. We've got some rain chances Thursday and Friday, but nothing like what we have seen for the last several days, Jennifer.